This is the easiest time in history to create wealth. It's easier now than when it was for our grandparents and our parents. The problem is that a lot of us are still doing what our grandparents and parents did to provide for their families. And the problem is, that times have changed, right? When our grandfathers were providing, there were good warehouse jobs, good trade skill jobs, good construction jobs, because during those times, we were building the economy and the industrial age was in full swing. They told their children, which were our parents, to do well in school, get a degree, and get a good government job, or a good managerial job. And they did that. Our parents then turned around and told us the same thing. Some even told us to learn about computers, which was kind of okay. The problem is that information was behind. It was late, because the world was moving at a much faster pace. Now, when our generation graduated college, there wasn't any good government jobs or management jobs. The warehouse work moved overseas for the most part, along with the computer jobs as well for cheaper labor. That advice was outdated. Innovation was key, right? Around 2007, the world changed drastically with the invention of the smartphone. The smartphone has decreased the need for computers, and computers have and are replaced by apps. The same way apps have replaced TV and radio. Apps have replaced retail, storefront, and malls. You see it everywhere. They soon will replace movie theaters and Hollywood as a whole. Our children will be the new movie stars and celebrities, and they will become this because of the device that we hold in our hands every day and the apps on them. Wealth is being created from these phones faster than what is being made in a 40-hour work week, right? That's the problem with our age group. We were given outdated advice by our parents, and too many of us refuse to adapt and pivot. To earn, you have to learn. It's that basic, right? In today's world, the front door receptionist can make more money than her manager by simply learning how to make money off of a phone, off of an app that she's on for hours a day anyway, making TikTok videos instead of answering the phone, and and it won't take her out of the house like a traditional part-time job, like being a cashier or a waitress or something like that. We must learn how to pivot and take advantage of what we have in front of us. I have, and I can show you how you can also. Send me a message today, and let me guide you to your freedom. All right? Think about it. Don't take too long.